China has unveiled its WZ-9 Divine Eagle drone, an advanced high-altitude, long-endurance, hail UAV designed to detect and track stealth aircraft such as the F-22 Raptor and B-2 Spirit. Developed by the 601 Institute, SAC, the WZ-9 represents a significant leap in counter-stealth technology, capturing global attention with its innovative features. The drone's twin-fuselage design, connected by a canard wing, enhances aerodynamic efficiency and structural stability, while its medium-thrust turbofan engine, positioned above the main wing, reduces its thermal signature. A unique SATCOM antenna integrated into the left fuselage ensures improved communication capabilities. The WZ-9 is equipped with an ultra-wide dual-band electronically scanned array radar, enabling it to detect stealth targets at long distances. By operating in groups as part of a multi-static radar network, the drone significantly improves accuracy in detecting and tracking targets. Capable of flying for over 20 hours at altitudes up to 18 kilometers, the WZ-9 is ideal for large area surveillance and early warning missions. It can operate autonomously or receive commands from ground stations and airborne platforms like AWACS. With its advanced capabilities, the WZ-9 challenges the dominance of stealth aircraft, potentially altering the balance of power in modern air combat. As part of China's growing unmanned aerial systems program, which includes drones like the WZ-7 Soaring Dragon and WZ-10 Loyal Wingman concepts, the WZ-9 underscores the nation's rapid progress in drone innovation. This cutting-edge platform not only advances military operations but also sets a new standard for the future of drone technology and countermeasures on the battlefield.